Hello, this is Nick with Nick's Computer Fix, and here's a video on the unboxing and review of the USB Wi-Fi adapter ComFast, the 1300 megabits per second version. Hey, by the way, click on that subscribe button if you get a chance. It would be greatly appreciated. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this unboxing. I bought this thing out of China. And yes, it says 1300 megabits per second versus the normal 1200 megabits per second. And on the back, you can see that it says 2.4 gigahertz and 5.8 gigahertz. And normally it just says 5 gigahertz on most of these adapters, but this one says 5.8. And it's also has the built-in 2 dBi. And this thing is Wi-Fi 5. 802.11 AC. So this adapter should be relatively fast on the Wi-Fi connection and should provide me with stable internet access for downloads and uploads. And a little bit later here we'll see a test for download and upload speeds on the internet. Okay, as you can see, this is completely unboxed now. It was a nice little packaging deal, and if you look up close here, it is a USB 2.0 adapter and not a 3.0 or 3.1. Normally the 3.1 is the color blue, and the 2.0 is normally a gray or black, and this one was black, so it's definitely a 2.0 USB adapter and should still provide relatively good speed. Okay, I went ahead and plugged it in on my laptop here into a 3.0 port. Even though this is 2.0, the 3.0 port on the laptop is backward compatible. Okay, let's move ahead here. I'm making a connection on my laptop here with the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection to my router, and if I open up the info on the network here, I can see that it is connected to the Wi-Fi 5 802.11 AC. The chip it's using is Realtek 8812CU, and it's running at 5 gigahertz, and the speed that I'm connected on the Wi-Fi to my router from my USB adapter is 585 megabits per second, which is a decent speed for a Wi-Fi 5 connection to a Wi-Fi 5 router. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at some internet speeds on the upload and download and see what we get. The internet speeds are decent, 85.44 on the download and 89.25 on the upload. And sometimes the upload can be a little bit faster than the download depending on the internet facility that it's being connected to. I believe this will be a good USB Wi-Fi adapter that I can use on my desktop or my laptop, and I will get very decent connection speeds on my Wi-Fi and decent download and upload speeds on my internet consistently. Okay, I do recommend this USB Wi-Fi adapter. It's a keeper. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click on that subscribe button to see more great videos like this one.